of nowhere. This is a tornado warned storm with rotation visible on radar. This seems very dangerous, fast moving, and oh my goodness. Wow. It is fast, it is rotating, and it's part of a system that's been dropping confirmed tornadoes. Like, this has the chance. I'm gonna go get in my shelter soon. But yeah. My goodness. Oh, let me zoom out. There's lots of lightning, lots of thunder. And also up here on my balcony. Of course, it has to be spring, so hooray for wasps. So you might see those boils in the video. Oh my goodness. Look at those, everything. It's moving so fast. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my, that's so fast. That's so fast. Look at that. You'll see it. Dude, it's so fast in my eyes. This is moving at 40, yeah. Look at it. Here comes the rain bands. It's about to rain so hard. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a way to kick the season off, man. What a way. Tornado warning. Oh, and the rain's coming down. I've accidentally knocked over my camera tripod. I'm using a tripod actually, so I can actually walk away. Really hard. Let me move this back so my phone doesn't get water damage. I'm up right here. Yeah, but if sirens go off or if it gets too crazy, I'm heading. You know what? I'm just heading now. See you guys. Stay safe. Don't die, of course. Bye.